Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.
Coach Matt from Tackle Trading here. I wanted to do a quick video about discussing the market today. I felt like the price action in the market was very consistent, volatile, a little bit of both. But honestly, what an amazing finish to the day. Closed up about 40 points from the lows that it had today in terms of the S&P 500. As you can see, the market right now is just neutral. That's all it is. It's not bearish, not bullish. It's simply neutral right now. And so we're going to see days like on Friday. We're going to see days like we had today. A lot of volatility. That's what we're kind of expecting in the market right now. Until it breaks one of these levels, it will remain neutral. The interesting thing that I did notice though today was if you're looking at retirement accounts, really since last summer, so we're talking about 7-8 months now, you are down in your retirement accounts because the market really has not been going up. That's how long we really have been some degree of neutral, was about 6, 7, 8 months. And you're still paying some fees out there, and it just that kind of caught my eye today a little bit just when I was doing my analysis. But I'm looking at this level right here at the 1990 2000 level. This area right in this range. And remember, when you're dealing with the marketplace, you're not, when I say 2000, it's not support at 2000. It is a zone around support, and that zone is about 1 ATR, which is 38 points. So really kind of the zone of support is anywhere from like 1980 until about 2000 in the marketplace itself. Interesting enough, in terms of that support level coming dropping down to a 15-minute chart here, and let's just look at today's price action that we saw coming out of the market today. As you can see, initially the marketplace drives down really hard, but then that buy the dip mentality still very strong, drives the market back up. Retracement drives the market back up. And so just kind of looking at today's price action, you kind of see the buy the dip mentality there. And if we kind of widen this out just a little bit and look at last Thursday when you had this tremendous move to the downside coming out of the Fed announcement, you had the buy the dip mentality and it went back up, buy the dip mentality went back up. And so that is prevalent in the marketplace right now. It's just that buy the dip type scenarios out there. Well, now come and looking at the Trade Center at Tackle Trading. Let's go look at the heat map real quick to just kind of cipher out what sectors were really good today. Best sectors, basic materials out there got a little bit of an up. So if we look at the basic materials sector, let's both look at energy and utilities here. Let's come back to a day chart. Just look at that. Okay, nice little day. I don't see anything though that is anything significant out there in basic materials. And energy specifically had a really good day here, but this is still a descending triangle situation. I fully expect the bearish movements in the energy sector to continue. And if you want to take into account crude oil, got a question about crude oil at Tackle Trading today. Is it the time to buy? Is it the time to buy? Not in my estimation. This is just looking like some degree of retracement out there. So I'd probably hold off on buying oil right now. I still think it's under tremendous pressure. And honestly, if it gets into the $55 range right up there, I'll short it. I'll short crude oil again. So I kind of want a little bit of retracement coming back into resistance on crude oil before I get out there and short it again. Now coming back to Tackle Trading, looking at this financial, really good sector today. There's some good movements in technology today. Healthcare kind of up a little bit, not great. Utilities up a little bit, not great. Most of the market did go up some degree though. And if we look at earnings coming out here this week, a lot of earnings is already behind us, as you can see by the blue indications there. We still have some major earnings coming out of basic material energy sector. ExxonMobil, Apache, Anadarko all have Newmont Mining. All of these are reporting earnings coming up in the next couple weeks. Utility sector is just getting started. They still have Southern Company and a lot of other companies reporting earnings. Gilead, Merck in the healthcare sector needs to report. Quite a few stocks in the services sector, UPS, Disney, Cisco in technology. That's why I love this heat map here. Just kind of gives us a bird's eye view over, what needs to be reported and what does not need to be reported from an earnings perspective. So we still got most of earnings are behind us, but we still have some to go. So if you are investing in stocks out there, make sure you know about when those stocks report earnings. Hope you enjoyed the video, kind of a little bit of a recap on the market itself, and looking forward to a wonderful weekend trading. Matt Justice for Tackle Trading.